Model, 69 plate Ford Transit Connect 200 Limited 1.5 Tdci top spec spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 107,089. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 Tdci 120 PSS 6H. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, engine has seized, will need repairing or replacing. Some parts have been stripped or at the back of the van. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, start-stop, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control, air-con, reversing camera. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 11,390.